dignitaries, KCXCOM, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear children. A very good evening to one and all. I feel a lot of happiness and I'm proud to be here today on the stage because during this time of darkness, during this time of difficulties, the most affected are the children. They were undergoing tremendous pressure from the classrooms and not going out, not playing around, not meeting their friends. So it was a most frustrating time for our children. And it is in this platform of KCA, in this vacation, we were so happy to introduce this summer camp. And I'm sure our children are so happy in learning, playing, dancing, singing, and all the fun. So today, we come to an end for this summer camp, and the grand finale is on stage. So I welcome our most energetic MCs, Mrs. Ritu Jason and Ms. Christina Babu on stage for the further proceedings. Ritu and Christina, please come to the stage. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. Today, we are gathered here for the grand finale ceremony of the Summer Camp 2021, organized by Kerala Catholic Association, and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. Wishing everyone a happy Independence Day. Now I request the Executive Committee members, respected KCA President, Mr. Royce Anthony, General Secretary, Mr. Vinu Christie, Core Group Chairman, Mr. Sevi Mathuni, Summer Camp Coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul, Summer Camp Advisor, Mrs. Julia Thomas, to kindly escort our Chief Guest, Dr. Babu Ramachandran, Chairman of ICRF, to the stage.
Chairman, Dr. Babu Ramachandran, President of Kerala Catholic Association, Mr. Royce Anthony, General Secretary, Mr. Vinu Christie, Core Group Chairman, Mr. Sevi Mathuni, Summer Camp Coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul, Summer Camp Advisor, Mrs. Julia Thomas, Executive Committee members of KCA, invited dignitaries, trainers, ladies and gentlemen. I am Christina Babu.
I am Ritu Jason,
your MCs for today's inauguration ceremony. It's indeed our great privilege and honor to welcome you all to this function.
Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with the blessings of the Almighty. I request all to rise for the prayer song.
നന്മയാകുന്ന കാണ്ടി കാണുവാൻ കണ്ണിനാകേണമേ നല്ല വാക്കിൻ്റെ ശീലു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ നാവിനാകേണമേ സ്നേഹമാകുന്ന ഗീതമോ എൻ്റെ കാതിലിണയാക്കണേ സത്യമെന്നുള്ള ശീലമോടെ ഞാൻ ശാന്തി
Thank you.
Let's begin this function by calling upon Mr. Vinu Christie, Secretary of KCA. He doesn't need an introduction as he is very familiar to all of us. He has been residing in Bahrain for the last 11 years and works as a senior hydrographer at Bahrain Marine Department. He is also the Vice President of Kollam Pravasi Association. He is also an active member of KCA from past few years. Here, I would like to invite Mr. Vinu for the welcome address.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's meeting, Dr. Babu Ramachandran, respected President of KCA, Mr. Royce Anthony, Summer Camp Coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul, Core Committee Convener, Mr. Sevi Mathuni, Summer Camp Advisor, Mrs. Juliet Thomas, my dear EXCO members, KCA members, children, parents, a warm good evening to you all. I am extremely overwhelmed to welcome you all for the auspicious occasion of KCA Summer Camp Grand Finale. Normally, we used to do summer camp physically at KCA premises, but present year, the things were different. From the seed of thought of our coordinator of summer camp, Mr. Soy Paul, we developed everything into a fun learning, was such a wonderful platform with the support of Achievers Academy from Bangalore, India. Hats off to the efforts of the coordinators, technical team, and also the personnel behind the curtain who made our summer camp a great success. Dear children, you are the future. We are sure that we have given you a platform to learn and to make fun. I would like to invite our chief guest of today. He is an eminent personality in Bahrain, a well-known social worker in Bahrain, and also the chairman of ICRF. So we will welcome you for this auspicious event, and thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Next, I welcome our Captain Cool, our confidence, respected President of KCA, Mr. Royce Anthony. He is the man behind all activities of KCA. I welcome Mr. Royce Anthony, respected President of KCA. And the man behind the success of all our activities, our core group chairman, Mr. Sevi Mathuni. He is very young at heart. He used to say, and I also used to say, he is very young at heart at KCA. By mind, I think he is 15 years of old. That's okay, sorry, 10 years of old. So, but our strong pillar, he is the man behind our confidence. From behalf of KCA, I welcome him, our core group chairman, Mr. Sevi Mathuni. And the thinking tank behind the summer camp, the man of full ideas. We used to say his body is full of ideas, not only his head, the full body is full of ideas. He is none other than our summer camp coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul. On behalf of KCA, I welcome Soy Paul, our summer camp coordinator. Next, we have a lady who is a promoter and the working force of entertainment activities of KCA Ladies Wing. And our great supporter, she is none other than our General Secretary of KCA Ladies Wing and also the advisor of summer camp, Mrs. Juliet Thomas. On behalf of KCA, I welcome Mrs. Juliet Thomas, one of the strongest pillars of KCA. Next, I would like to welcome our ESCO members, KCA members, and also dear children and parents. With your effort only, we have made our summer camp a great success. Hats off to you. Thanks to you. Back to you, MC.
Thank you, Mr. Vinu Christie, for those words.
As we Indians celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India, let's pay a tribute to the country through a beautiful patriotic dance performance by the senior group of the summer camp, choreographed by Janita Joyson. On stage, Shreya Sosa John, Livia Jason, Niranjana Manoj, Christina John, Hiranmai Ayyappan Nair, Benita Biju. Enjoy. It was indeed a breathtaking performance. Moving on, a poem recitation by Gayatri Sudhir.
നമസ്കാരം. മലയാളത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രിയ കവി ശ്രീ കുരിപ്പുഴ ശ്രീകുമാറിൻ്റെ അസഹ്യൻ എന്ന കവിതയാണ് ഞാനിവിടെ ചൊല്ലാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അസഹ്യൻ. മിഴിയടക്കുന്നു സഹ്യൻ, തീ വീണു കത്തിപ്പോയ പുരികങ്ങളിൽ കോപ കോപതാപങ്ങൾ സ്പന്ദിക്കുന്നു, മിഴിയടക്കുന്നു സഹ്യൻ. തീ വീണു കത്തിപ്പോയ പുരികങ്ങളിൽ കോപതാപങ്ങൾ സ്പന്ദിക്കുന്നു. മഴയും മിന്നൽ പാടും വറ്റിയ നെറ്റിത്തടം, പുരിയാകാശം വാതകങ്ങളാൽ ഭദ്രം ക്ഷുദ്രം. അശ്രുപർവ്വതം പോലെ നിൽക്കയാണിപ്പോൾ പ്രാണൻ, സ്വപ്നവും സ്വത്തും പോലെ പകുത്തോന്മഹാഗിരി. ഇടറും മൗനത്തിൻ്റെ നീർമയാൽ മൂടൽ മഞ്ഞിൻ പുടവക്കുത്തിൽ നോക്കിയിരുന്നു ദുഃഖാചലം. ജനസാഗരം ദൂരെ നിശ്ചലം നരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ ഹൃദയം വാക്കായി പൊട്ടി കുഞ്ഞാറിൽ തിളയ്ക്കുന്നു. ഞാനാണു സഹ്യൻ നദികളുടെ അച്ഛൻ, ഞാനാണു സഹ്യൻ നദികളുടെ അച്ഛൻ. സ്നേഹപൂർവം നിനക്കന്നവും വെള്ളവും ആടലും പാടലും ഔഷധസസ്യവും തേനും തപസ്സും വൈഡൂര്യവും തന്നവൻ ഞാനാണു സഹ്യൻ. എൻ്റെ തോൾ തോറും മുകിൽ കറുപ്പാർന്നവർ സ്നേഹിച്ചു കാമിച്ചു പെറ്റു പെരുകുന്നതും, മുനിയറയ്ക്കുള്ളിൽ ഉറങ്ങാൻ കിടന്നതും അറിയുവാൻ ഇനി ഏതു പുഴയുണ്ട് പൂവുണ്ട് പുതിയ കിളിയുണ്ടെന്നു തേടി നടന്നതും. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടാകണം ചന്ദ്രനെ പെൺമക്കളോടിയൊളിച്ച ശിലോദ്യാന ഭംഗികൾ. ഞാനിന്ന സഹ്യൻ നിനക്കെന്തു കാര്യമെൻ മക്കളെ വിൽക്കാൻ, വിലങ്ങുവെക്കാൻ, നീരുവറ്റിച്ചൊതുക്കാൻ, വിശപ്പിച്ചു കൊല്ലുവാൻ. പൂമരം കൊയ്ത് വിനാശം വിതയ്ക്കുവാൻ, ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ ഇളം ഞാറൂഞ്ഞുള്ളുവാൻ. ഞാനിന്ന സഹ്യൻ മനസ്സിലിരമ്പുന്നു ഭൂമിയെ അമ്മാനമാടുമാപത്തുകൾ. ഞാനിന്ന സഹ്യൻ മനസ്സിലിരമ്പുന്നു ഭൂമിയെ അമ്മാനമാടുമാപത്തുകൾ. കണ്ണു കലക്കിയടയ്ക്കുന്ന കാലമേ അന്ധകാരം നീ വരുത്താതിരിക്കണേ. കണ്ണു കലക്കിയടയ്ക്കുന്ന കാലമേ അന്ധകാരം നീ വരുത്താതിരിക്കണേ. കാറ്റേ കൊടുമ്പിരി കൊള്ളാതിരിക്കണേ, ചൂടുവെട്ടങ്ങൾ കെടുത്താതിരിക്കണേ. കാറ്റേ കൊടുമ്പിരി കൊള്ളാതിരിക്കണേ, ചൂടുവെട്ടങ്ങൾ കെടുത്താതിരിക്കണേ. മൂകം മിഴിനീർ നിയന്ത്രിച്ചു നിർത്തുവാൻ പാടുപെടും ഞാൻ അസഹ്യൻ. മൂകം മിഴിനീർ നിയന്ത്രിച്ചു നിർത്തുവാൻ പാടുപെടും ഞാൻ അസഹ്യൻ. നന്ദി.
It was a nice performance, Gayatri. Thank you.
Next, we have a leader who is a social worker and also an all-rounder who has contributed himself through different positions like General, Entertainment and Membership Secretary of KCA. Let's welcome none other than the current President of KCA, Mr. Roy C. Anthony, for his presidential address.
Thank you, Ritu. Kerala Catholic Association, Honorable General Secretary Vinu Christie. Today's chief guest, Dr. Babu Ramachandran, Core Group Chairman and former President, Mr. C.V. Mathuni, Summer Camp Coordinator, Mr. Soipul, Summer Camp Advisor, Mrs. Juliet Thomas, Executive Committee members, members from Achievers Academy, and my dear KCA family members. A very good evening to you all. As India enters its 75th years of independence, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Dear friends, it is very important that we continue cherish and practice the same ideas and values of our great leaders who struggled to build an independent India. Let us remember those heroes and salute them. Now I come to today's function. I am extremely grateful to our chief guest, ICRF Chairman Dr. Babu Ramachandran sir, for your valuable presence in the summer camp finale. Yes, everyone, that your online summer camp was great successful. Achievers Academy and our coordinators are the ones who made this summer camp grand success. I believe that the participant and obtained a memorable experience from this camp. A large team led by our General Secretary Vinu Christie, Soipul, Advisor Mrs. Juliet Thomas, Ritu Jason, Jisha Vinu, Seedal Gio, and Maggie Varghese, and all coordinators were actively involved to turn this event huge success. Let me conclude my words by thanking the parents and participants for their wholehearted support and wish you all a success career ahead. Thank you very much.
Next, we have an enchanting performance by our little angels, choreographed by Mrs. Juliet Thomas. On stage, Sarah Mary Christo, Angel Vinu Christie, Claire Teresa Gio, Catherine Teresa Gio.
Mira
Beautiful dance performance by Little Stars.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Royce Anthony, President, to present a memento as a token of love and appreciation to our chief guest, Dr. Babu Ramachandran.
We are indeed fortunate to be blessed with the presence of this great visionary. He is currently the chairman of ICRF. Here, we call upon our respected chief guest, Dr. Babu Ramachandran, for the felicitation speech.
Thank you, Ms. Christina, MC Ritti. Good evening, KCA President Mr. Royce Anthony, General Secretary Mr. Vinu Christie, my all-time dear friend, not that the others are not friends of mine, but Sevi Mathurni, Mr. Soy Paul, the Summer Camp Coordinator, Camp Advisor Ms. Juliet Thomas, ladies, gentlemen, and the stars of today, the children. It's indeed a matter of great privilege for me as I stand here. Because if I start speaking, there is a long history which I have often narrated here about my association with the Kerala Catholic Association. Because in 1999, when I first came to Bahrain, there was a youth leadership program here. And Mr. Soman Baby was the one who told me to send my son to this camp. He was interested in public speaking. But attending that YLP, because I was new to Toastmasters, I didn't know much about it till I later joined it. But when I came and saw the wonderful YLP conducted here, I was amazed. The way KCA played a part in molding my son will never be forgotten. I was speaking to Mr. Soy Paul about the summer camp and what went into it. This summer camp, which has been organized here in a virtual way, demonstrates the trials and the efforts taken by the coordinators. Well done for all that you have done, bringing in people from Bangalore online, South Africa, and so on. Boy, it's simply amazing. You children have benefited because of the pandemic in ways which we could never imagine. Imbibe what has been taught to you. It all matters when you participate in competitions. Winning is not the prime purpose of competitions. It's participation. And when you participate to compete against your own self, which I have mentioned again on this stage in the past when I have attended the great KCA talent scan and other activities for the children, which speaks volumes of the way KCA instills leadership skills in each and every one of you, competitive spirit in each and every one of you, and educating you while you enjoy your own self. A special time now as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day celebrations as well. And that's to remind us of the sacrifices made by hundreds and thousands and millions of Indians who fought for our freedom. And we are now a free country. When you children go into the world as prominent leaders occupying high positions, look back over the past and see what you can do for the downtrodden. Because that sort of a social commitment is what is needed. It's thanks to your wonderful parents that you are able to enjoy all this. Never forget them. Absorb like a sponge what is taught to you by your teachers and your parents. Go forth. The light is shining in front of you. India is moving forward in a way unheard of, with many Indians occupying high positions worldwide. Sitting here, I am sure that there are many of you who will, in the years to come, occupy high positions. And then you will remember the Kerala Catholic Association, which molded you. Dear parents, a piece of, I would not say advice, a suggestion to you. Children are like clay. We have to melt them with discipline, mold them with love, and shape them after us, their role models. With these few words, let me conclude by wishing you all the very best in life, and together let's work hand in hand to see a better India, a better world in the future. Thank you, KCA team, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to address a vibrant group of people. I know that had it not been for the pandemic, this hall would have been overflowing. And at every meeting I see that. But it takes great courage to hold a meeting like this in the midst of the pandemic. Hats off to the team. The coordinators, the full ExCom, everyone. God bless all of you. Wish you the very best in life. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Babu Ramachandran.
Here comes a charming performance by the junior category, dance choreographed by Christina Babu and Andrea Joshi. Performers on stage: Josh Abraham, Gladwin Shine, Chris Joshua Ritchie, Aaron Ajish, Ivan Joy Peter.
मचेगा 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 बचे ना कोई मेरी नजरों से न चाहूं गुलजार की गजलों पे नाच के जाओ घर सुबह तो निशान पैरों पे जख्मों के बचे ना कोई मेरी नजरों से न चाहूं गुलजार की गजलों पे नाच के जाओ घर सुबह तो निशान पैरों पे जख्मों के मैं हकीम लाया दवाई जिससे होंगे सारे हाय 2 नंबर की मेरी कमाई से मचाता हूँ तबाही मैं हकीम लाया दवाई जिससे होंगे सारे हाय 2 नंबर की मेरी कमाई से मचाता हूँ तबाही तभी तो मचेगा मचेगा शोर मचेगा मचेगा शोर मचेगा मचेगा शोर मचेगा मचेगा हिलेगा हिलेगा फ्लोर हिलेगा हिलेगा फ्लोर हिलेगा हिलेगा फ्लोर हिलेगा हिलेगा
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you जिंदगी
That was a wonderful performance.
Next, a poem recitation by Sarah Thomas from the junior category.
Good evening, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Sarah Thomas, and today I'm gonna recite a poem, Handwriting on the Wall. It's written by an anonymous writer. The theme of this poem is the relationship between an infant and his mother. Handwriting on the wall. A weary mother returned from the store, lugging groceries through the kitchen door. Awaiting her arrival was her 8-year-old son, anxious to relate what his younger brother had done. While I was out playing and Dad was on a call, TJ took his crayons and wrote on the wall. It's on the new paper you just hung in the den. I told him you'd be mad and to do it again. She let out a moan and furrowed her brow. Where is your little brother right now? She emptied her arms and with a purposeful stride marched into his closet where he had gone to hide. She called his full name as she entered his room. He trembled with fear. He knew that meant doom. For the next 10 minutes, she ranted and raved about the expensive wallpaper and how she had saved. Lamenting all the work it would take to repair, she condemned his actions and lack of care. The more she scolded, the madder she got, then stormed from his room, totally distraught. She headed for the den to confirm her fears. When she saw the wall, her eyes flooded with tears. The message she read pierced her soul with a dart. It said, "I love Mommy," surrounded by a heart. Well, the wallpaper remained just as she found it, with an empty picture frame hung to surround it. A reminder to her and indeed to all, take time to read the handwriting on the wall. Thank you.
That is a lovely poem, Sarah. Thank you.
Star Awards are given to our little stars for their wonderful performance in the summer camp in craft, drawing, education, and photographic sections. I would like to invite Dr. Babu Ramachandran to present the awards along with KCA President Royce Anthony and other dignitaries. In the juniors category, Star Award in craft goes to Trisha Sachadin. Baron Biju, getting a Star Award in craft. Star Award in drawing, Mayuka Manoj. Star Award in Education, Gauri Sharat. Star Award in Photography, Sarah Thomas.
Moving on to the seniors category. Star Award in craft goes to Abel Jose. Star Awards in drawing goes to Anne Maria Jimmy. Star Award in education goes to Christina John. Star Award in photography goes to Shreya Sosa John.
A patriotic song is one which inspires feeling of pride in one's country. Presenting our children of the summer camp for the patriotic song. Singers on stage, Niranjana Manoj, Shreya Sosan John, Catherine Sijo, Gifty Shine, Hiranmai Gayatri Sudev. That was indeed a patriotic feel in our hearts. Song trained by Mrs. Jolie Jose.
Our summer camp wouldn't have been possible without the help of our online coordinators. Indeed, they have done a great work to execute things and to make our camp a great success. As a token of gratitude and appreciation, our association would like to present the coordinators with mementos. Requesting KCA President Roy C. Anthony and Mr. Vinu Christie to present the mementos. Firstly, the memento is presented to Camp Advisor Mrs. Julian Thomas. Now I would like to invite Mr. Vinu Christie to present the mementos.
Janita Joyson. Rajana Biju. Ritu Jason. Sheetal Gio. Seema Joby. Sheena Joyson. Thank you, coordinators, for all your valuable support and cooperation for making this summer camp a great success. Next, an elegant poem recitation by Catherine Soy.
Let the Light Enter by Frances Ellen Watkins. The dying words of Gerda. Light, more light, for shadows deepen and my life is ebbing low. Throw the windows widely open. Light, more light, before I go. Softly let the balming sunshine play around my dying bed. Ere the dimly lighted valley, I with lonely feet must tread. Light, more light, for death is weaving shadows round my fading side. And I fain would gaze upon him through a stream of earthly light. Heeds he not the gathered laurels, fading slowly away from sight. All the dying poet's aspiration, center that prayerful light, more light. Not for the greater gifts of genius, not for thoughts more grandly bright. And I feel all the dying poet's whisper is a prayer for light, more light. Gracious Savior, when life's daydream melt and vanish from sight, may our dim and longing vision then be blessed with light, more light. Thank you.
That was a beautiful poem by Catherine. Thank you.
Next, we have a committed social worker, a businessman, and had served 3 times as KCA president. He has held various roles in EXCOM. He was also the president of the World Malayali Council. Let's welcome the core group chairman, Mr. Servi Mathuni, for his felicitation address.
Thank you, Mrs. Nittu. Honorable President of Kerala Catholic Association, Mr. Royce Anthony, General Secretary, Mr. Vinu Christie, Chief guest of this award ceremony or finale. I don't know how I can address our doctor. He is an ardent Toastmaster or seasoned Toastmaster, a Quizmaster, a community leader, very expertised doctor, IMA chairman, am I right, doctor? IMA chairman, now ICRF chairman. More than that, he is friend of KCA. Very proudly I can say, brotherly friend, Dr. Babu Ramachandran. Summer camp coordinator, Sri Soy Paul, advisor, Srimati Juliet Thomas, EXCO members, very dedicated summer camp coordinators, dear children and parents, good evening. We Indians are celebrating 75th anniversary or Independence Day, of our Independence Day. KCA is celebrating 50th anniversary of our establishment. 25 years difference between Indian independence and KCA's establishment. Always KCA is doing a leading role in this society, especially in Bahrain. And we are conducting always the events to empower students, ladies, or the community. This year also we are conducted summer camp, not physically, online. Through that, we are empowering our children how to face the life, how to face the studies, how to deal with the others, friends and other common people or those who are coming across them. They are benefited, I am sure that. We should understand, through these courses, our children are getting enough training that we cannot visualize immediately, but it will help them in their future life. Once again, I am congratulating the entire team, those who conducted this summer camp. And in this pandemic situation, KCA Executive Committee is taking strong and bold decision to conduct such classes. Apart from that, I think KCA is going to conduct quiz competition. It is going to last more than 6 months. International quiz competition. Also, very interesting subject for the children, abacus and Vedic maths. In our age, we are not getting such chances. But now the students, this era students, they are getting all the chances to develop their career from the smaller age. Utilize that and grow. Be a ardent or dedicated citizen so that, we can trust in you. We can see the future of our world, especially India. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you, Mr. Sevi.
Here comes our tiny tots with an action dance, choreographed by Christina Babu. Performers on stage: Isabel May Matthew, Olivia Rose Joy, Agna and Shibu, Julian Basil George.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
What a glorious performance by the tiny tots of our summer camp.
A person who has been tirelessly working behind this summer camp arrangements to bring new innovative opportunities and ideas for the youth and young from various trainers globally. I invite the camp coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul, to deliver his address.
dignitaries, KCA President, Chief Guest, EXCOM, children's parents. When we are thinking about the summer camp, our President, Royce Anthony, and co-group chairman, Sevi Mathuni, insisted two things. They said, clearly instructed, it should be enjoyable, it should be unique. Then we think how it can be enjoyable. They strictly insisted they should have the fun, there should be something to be learned, and it should be unique. I can proudly say this time we have done it. Kudos to the team who have contacted us, who helped us. Across the world, we have conducted this summer camp as an international event. The trainers participated from South Africa, Pakistan, and India. And the coaching team is take part from Bangalore. So we have done it. And most important thing is, we have created one group, which is a wall, where our children posted what they have learned. It was an amazing experience. And we had conducted our cooking class, and we had conducted the photography. So the difference and the various subjects, we have done it. And proudly I can say, we have done it. Those persons who have high creativity, bigger thinking, will only going to be survive in the next generation. For acquiring the skills is one of the important things. Here, this time we have introduced so many new skills, as you are aware. Second thing I would like to say, quitters never win. A key to the legendary success is not with your profession, your IQ, nothing. It's only about the persistence. At this end of this summer camp finale, I wish every children's best wishes. Thank you. Back to you, MC.
Thank you, Mr. Soipol. Next comes a marvelous performance by our senior boys category. Dance choreographed by Christina Babu. Dancers on stage, Abel Jose, Abel Ajish, Andrew Joshi.
बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली जैसे जैसे तो ईद में होली मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली जैसे जैसे तो ईद में होली मेरी जीवन की दशा घड़ा रस्तों का नशा बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है.
What a wonderful, dazzling performance by the boys.
Next, we have a poem recitation by Levit Saha.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lavit Saha. Today I am going to recite a poem titled On Top of Spaghetti. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. Achoo! It rolled off the table and then onto the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled right out the door. It rolled in a garden and under a bush. Now my poor meatball was nothing but a mush. The mush was as tasty it could be. Early next summer, it grew into a tree. The tree was all covered with beautiful moss, and it grew lovely big meatballs in a tomato sauce. So, if you like spaghetti all covered with cheese, hold on to your meatballs and don't ever sneeze. Achoo! Thank you.
Thank you, Levit Saha. Indeed, a good performance.
An all-rounder with right plans and activities. I invite the advisor of our summer camp, Mrs. Julia Thomas, to speak a few words.
Thank you, Ritu. ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട KCA പ്രസിഡന്റ് മിസ്റ്റർ റോയ് സി ആൻ്റണി, വൈസ് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി മിസ്റ്റർ വിനു ക്രിസ്റ്റി, കോർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയർമാൻ മിസ്റ്റർ സേവി മാത്തുണ്ണി, ക്യാമ്പ് കോർഡിനേറ്റർ മിസ്റ്റർ സോയ് പോൾ, ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റ് മിസ്റ്റർ CRO ചെയർമാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ബാബു രാമചന്ദ്രൻ, ഇന്നിവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ നമസ്കാരം. ഏകദേശം 1.5 മാസം നീണ്ടുനിന്ന നമ്മുടെ സമ്മർ ക്യാമ്പിൻ്റെ ഫിനാലെ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഈ ദിനത്തിൽ ഈ ക്യാമ്പിൽ എനിക്കൊരു അവസരം തന്ന ഈ കമ്മിറ്റിയോട് ആദ്യമായി ഞാൻ നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. 60+ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് പങ്കെടുത്ത ഈ ക്യാമ്പ് മുൻ വർഷത്തെ ക്യാമ്പിനേക്കാൾ മികച്ച പ്രവർത്തനം കാഴ്ചവെച്ചുവെന്നാണ് എൻ്റെ വിശ്വാസം. ഈ ക്യാമ്പിൻ്റെ പിന്നിൽ പ്രവർത്തിച്ച എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ എൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി ഞാൻ പറയുന്നു. ഈ ക്യാമ്പിൽ നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് നല്ല പരിശീലനം കാഴ്ചവെച്ച അച്ചീവേഴ്സ് ഡെസ്റ്റിനേഷൻ അക്കാഡമി ഫ്രം ബാംഗ്ലൂർ ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അവരുടെ സേവനം പ്രത്യേകം എടുത്തു പറയേണ്ടതാണ്. വരും വർഷങ്ങളിലും ഇത്തരം ക്യാമ്പ് വഴി നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ കലാപരവും കായികപരവുമായ എല്ലാ കഴിവുകളും വളർത്തിയെടുത്ത് നല്ലൊരു തലമുറയെ വാർത്തെടുക്കുവാൻ KCA കമ്മിറ്റിക്ക് കഴിയട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ടും അതിനായി നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രചോദനം പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചുകൊണ്ടും എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, Mrs. Julia Thomas. Moving on to a stunning Bollywood dance performance by our juniors category, choreographed by Christina Babu. On stage, Devika Dev, Dakshina Dev, Gauri Sharath, Mayuka Manoj.
Thank you.
कैसे तुमको ये बतलाए, कैसे तुमको ये बताए, कैसे तुमको ये समझाए, दर्द का हाल क्या है, कैसे तुमको ये बतलाए।
मेरी ना सुने दिल मेरा, तेरे पीछे पागल है। रुके ना रुके ये दिल मेरा, जाने कैसी हलचल है कि मेरी सांसों में तू, एहसासों में तू, हर हंसी में मेरी बस तू। नैनने बंद आँखें नैने जाए, तमने जाया छे। नैनने बंद आँखें नैने जाए, तमने जाया छे। तुम ही तुम हो मेरी सांसों में और हो ख्यालों में। नैनने बंद आँखें नैने जाए, तमने जाया छे।
That was a colorful performance by our juniors.
Next, we have an enchanting performance by our little angels, choreographed by Mrs. Juliet Thomas. On stage, Sarah Mary Christo, Angel Vinu Christie, Claire Teresa Gio, Catherine Teresa Gio. Beautiful dance performance by Little Stars.
No function ends without a thanksgiving. Here again, I invite the camp coordinator, Mr. Soy Paul, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Children, dignitaries, chief cast, KCX core members, and the parents and children. In Bible, Christ asked us to do one thing. Specifically asked to say thanks. So the saying thanks is one of the important things in our culture. Today, I'm going to give the vote of thanks on behalf of the KCA ExCom who provided, who created this venue for conducting the summer camp. I express the complete ExCom to the saying the thank you to the today's function is we are privileged to get with an eminent personality, which is our ICRF chairman and so many IMA chairmen, so many designations he had. But above all, he was our friend, he was our associated person, he is a very dignitary, and I express my sincere thanks to the Dr. Babu Ramachandran. I express my sincere thanks to our core group and especially our core group chairman. Not only the core group chairman, there was a lot of other persons, Varghese Karakal, Arul Das, and so many persons. I'm not mentioning all other senior members' name, but everybody is cooperated and has done this job wonderfully. One thing I would like to highlight, the success of the camp is our force is not by us, our ladies wing. I express my sincere thanks to our ladies wing who supported us in this event. For coming to the camp, I'm just mentioning all the trainers who have spent maybe more than 150 hours for our children. I'm just reciting their name: Yogita Singh, Nisha Kumari, Nitya, Shalini, and our cooking class who was taken by the Katu, Magna Fabin, Alison, Enes. And our photography session has conducted by our own member, Ashok Matthew. And I express my sincere thanks to Naina Samson from Pakistan and Nandi Matunga from South Africa and Pradeep from India. They have conducted in the different sessions. I express my sincere thanks to the coordinators. Coordinators played an important role in the summer camp. Who has the Jisha, Binu, Bindu, Rose, Sheena Joyson, Seema Joby, Maki, Rachana Pichu, Boni Jidin, Christina Babu, Janita Joyson, Ritu, and our own camp advisor, Juliet Thomas. If I have missed anybody's name, please my apology. I express to the sincere thanks to all of you who have connected, who have guided, who have connected to another person like the Peter Solomon, who has introduced two, three trainers. So these were the amazing event. And the stage what we have, now we are doing, the Joby, Joel, and other Joby, and the Ashok Matthew Manoj. I express my sincere thanks to everyone. God bless you. These two persons too, they are already the coordinator, they are the MC. Ritu Jason and Christina Babu. Thank you all.
Thank you everyone for your presence this evening. Hope to see you all next year. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you.